Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rovina. Today I'm sharing another Christmas special delight, culcals, or as we call in Konkani, Kidiyo. I have made a detailed video with all the tips and variations. You can try this recipe, so make sure to watch till the end. First we'll start by sieving the flour. Here I've taken 1 kg of maida. So there are two different types of culcals we make. One where we add sugar while we knead the flour, and secondly we make it with a sugar coating. So this recipe is with the sugar coating. I just added salt as per taste and then continue the sieving. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. After sieving the flour, I am adding half cup of fine semolina, or we call it chiroti rava, to give the culcals a nice crunch. Give a good mix after adding the semolina so that the semolina incorporates well with the flour. Now I am pouring 1/4 cup of hot oil. Mix it up using the spatula since the oil is hot. Next, using your palm, press it as I am showing in the video. This step gives culcals their signature crispiness. However, semolina and oil is optional. Now let's knead the dough. Traditionally, coconut milk and eggs are used, but today I am keeping it simple with just plain water. Knead into a smooth dough and set it aside for few minutes. While you set aside the dough, remember to cover it with a muslin cloth, else the dough may get dry. I just kept this dough aside for 15 minutes. You can also keep it in the refrigerator and use it on the next day. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the different kitchen tools to shape the culcals. I am sure you all have these tools lying around your kitchen, from wicker plates to fork to the plastic molds and the wooden molds. First, I will show you how to prepare in this wicker plate. So this is a metal plate. So I am going to rub some oil on that and take a small piece of dough and spread over the plate and just roll it. Here you can see the beautiful grid on the dough. I also have a rare wooden mold. You can find similar ones online, but you personally need to check this while buying, since the lines on the wooden mold sometimes aren't sharp. This may not get the desired shape. Let me show you how to prepare culcals using the fork. You can use it on the both sides of the fork. Each side the design is different. Try both sides and see which side you will like it. I hope you are enjoying watching this video. In case you find it a bit lengthy, you can forward the video. I just wanted to demonstrate showing you all the different types of mold. You can see this one is also beautiful with a comb. Here you can see the different shapes that I have got by using the different culcal molds. Before you shape the culcals, apply some oil on the plate and then place the shaped culcals on it. This way they don't stick and it will be easier to pick them while frying. I had just shown you the samples of how to prepare culcals with all the tools that are available in the kitchen. I personally find this plastic mold works best. You can find it online or in any general stores. Just look here how quickly you can prepare culcals. Just hold a small portion of dough in your palm and just take small bits of it and quickly roll the culcals. While the culcals are getting ready, let me heat up the oil. For frying the culcals, I am using Coco Uttam coconut oil. This oil is my personal favorite. I simply love the aroma and love the snacks prepared with this oil. Once the oil is heated, put the culcals and fry until they are golden brown. Sometimes the culcals stick to each other when you put them for frying. Don't worry, be patient, wait until they get fried. So as they are frying, the culcals separate. So if you try to forcefully separate them, you may spoil the shape. Let's prepare the sugar coating. For 1 kg maida, I am using half kg sugar and 1 cup of water. Let the sugar melt and wait until you get one string consistency. Just look here how to check for the thread consistency. Before adding the sugar coating, the culcals need to be completely cooled. Can you hear the crunch? I have cooled it for nearly 8 hours. I generally add the sugar coating the next day. Pour the hot sugar coating or the sugar syrup over the cooled culcals and mix well. Spread the culcals on a butter paper so that they don't stick together as they dry. So if you put it in a vessel, it gets stuck and it is difficult to separate them. So once you are done with adding the syrup, just spread it on a butter paper just like I am doing it here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give this recipe a try this Christmas and share your feedback in comments. Once the culcals are completely cooled and the sugar has set, you see a beautiful sugar coating on the culcals. Store them in airtight containers to keep them fresh and crispy. Thank you.